2006 Super Rugby Final against the Hurricanes. Rolled off the bus, came into Jade Stadium. I looked down the tunnel and out onto the ground, and you could see nothing. It was just fog. And emerging out of this fog was the CEO with a panicky look on his face, and he said to me, "We're going to have to cancel. We have to postpone. We'll play it tomorrow." And my immediate response was, "There's no way we're not playing this game. We're ready."
Toyava kicks off.
Not 10, is it?
I don't know.
It sort of looked like it the way he kicked it, actually.
And the ball has gone out to the Hurricanes, have it? Somebody's been bowled over on a big tackle.
That one could have landed in the main street of New Brighton for all we know, Nisbo.
That context captures for me the meaning in coaching. All your preparation through the week and leading up to game day has to be designed to ensure that your players are good to go. They can control and own their performance and destiny on game day. And you know it because you've seen it in training. And the training has been appropriate for what they're about to encounter. And then you've got your best chance of sitting in that coach's box and actually enjoying it. So that game I still haven't seen. I understand there's only one angle where you could see it, and that was end on. And there was about 10 or 12 feet that you could see, because we're up in the coach's box, so our view was very poor. All we could see was the ball occasionally and occasional flashes of yellow and red. But I was reasonably confident the boys would have it in hand, and this way it proved to be, and that should be your motivation as a coach, is to make the game day experience as comfortable as possible, courtesy of your prep.
We're inside the last minute here. And there goes the foghorn, the end of the game, as the Hurricanes charge outside the 22, losing the ball. And this will be just kicked into touch as Collins knocks it down. The whistle goes. The Crusaders win Super 14.
It wasn't pretty, but getting there was great.
So what got you there in the end?
Well, I think just composure. We're really hungry on D. You know, we forced turnovers, played at the right end of the paddock. I think that was the key. They kept having to kick out, and you know, the pressure came into points.
As we say, not, I guess, the sort of style that you would have wanted to finish the season, but it has been another fantastic season for the Crusaders.
Oh, it's been a lot of fun, and at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how you get them, as long as you get the cup, and I guess we're happy about that.
Oh, good on you, mate. Well done, Richie.
Cheers, TJ.